Our grandfather was a pioneer of technical development and everything started with the steam engine and so on unit today. We fly into space and everything is controlled by a tiny chip heart. Can be embedded in the human being. Progress cannot be stopped. This worker has very fast hands. This is how wooden tips are made on the machine. Great in manufacturing process are the factory. This driver is very strong. Production process for manufacturing parts. Production process of diving on the surface. This is how a part is created from a piece of plastic. Product packaging production process. This is a metallurgical production for the manufacture of parts. These gears form tiles from a mold using cement mortar. And these gears remove 2 tiles from the mold. This condom factory works in automatic mode. Product quality is guaranteed. Each condom is checked separately. Master of his craft makes a sculpture from a simple tree. This is a production for the manufacture of steel ropes. This guy is very strong, super. You see the processing of the piano cup. Builders and masters the craft work very quickly.